Let's practice some daily use English sentences. And our first sentence is जा आणि वडिलांजवळ बस. Go and sit by your father. Go and sit by your father. त्याला ब्रेड आणि बटर आवडते. He likes bread and butter. He likes bread and butter. श्वास घ्या आणि धरून ठेवा. Take a breath and hold it. Take a breath and hold it. ती छान आणि निरोगी दिसते. She looks nice and healthy. She looks nice and healthy. जा आणि राजूला उठव. Go and wake up Raju. Go and wake up Raju. तुम्ही जाण्यासाठी तयार आहात का? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? माझ्याकडे पैसे मागू नका. Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. मी तासभर अभ्यास केला. I studied for an hour. I studied for an hour. तुम्ही जर तासभर काम केले असेल तर तुम्ही काय बोलू शकता? I worked for an hour means मी तासभर काम केले. मी टीव्ही चालू करू शकतो का? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? तू परत कधी येशील? When will you be back? When will you be back? मी 10 वाजता परत येईन. I'll be back at 10. I'll be back at 10. मी पुढील आठवड्यात व्यस्त असेल. I will be busy next week. I will be busy next week. तो हळू चालतो. He walks slowly. He walks slowly. तो तुम्हाला सांगेल तसे करा. Do as he tells you. Do as he tells you. मला हे घर जसे आहे तसे आवडते. I like this house as it is. I like this house as it is. तो बसने आला. He came by bus. He came by bus. मी या घरात एकटाच राहतो. I live in this house by myself. I live in this house by myself. तिने त्याच्याकडे रागाने पाहिलं. She looked at him angrily. She looked at him angrily. ती काहीच बोलली नाही. She didn't say anything. She didn't say anything. जर तुम्हाला म्हणायचं असेल तो काहीच बोलला नाही तर कसं बोलणार? He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल की मी काहीच बोललो नाही तर तुम्ही कसं बोलणार? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. तो त्याचे काम करत आहे. He is doing his work. He is doing his work. जर तुम्हाला असं बोलायचं असेल की ती तिचे काम करत आहे तर कसं बोलणार? She is doing her work. She is doing her work. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल की मी माझे काम करत आहे तर कसं बोलणार? I am doing my work. I am doing my work. Next. त्याने आपले कुटुंब सोडले आहे. He has left his family. He has left his family. तो त्याची खोली साफ करत होता. He was cleaning his room. He was cleaning his room. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल की तो त्याची खोली साफ करत आहे म्हणजे आत्ताच खोली साफ करत आहे तर तुम्ही कसं बोलणार? He is cleaning his room. तो खोली साफ करत आहे मीन्स he is cleaning his room and तो त्याची खोली साफ करत होता मीन्स he was cleaning his room. मला त्याचा पत्ता माहीत नाही. I don't know his address. I don't know his address. तिने त्याचा प्रस्ताव नाकारला. She rejected his proposal. She rejected his proposal. मला त्याचे नाव आठवत नाही. I can't remember his name. I can't remember his name. मी त्याचा फोन नंबर विसरलो. I forgot his phone number. I forgot his phone number.